Good afternoon. Welcome to online classes for Eamcet engineering. Eamcet engineering, right? I am thankful to the government of Telangana as well as to our Commissioner Sir, Janab Syed Umar Jalil Sahab, Commissioner and Secretary Board of Intermediate Education, who is providing these classes for the benefit of our students. Now, today I will take mathematics. I am Dr. Syed Abdul Hai, Junior Lecturer in Mathematics from MAM Government Girls College, Nampalli, Hyderabad. So, I will start today paper 1A, that is the basic chapter trigonometry. So, all of you know that this is a very important and fundamental chapter of mathematics. If you are perfect in trigonometry, you can solve any questions related to trigonometry, and this trigonometry is involved in all branches of your mathematics. I don't want to go in detailed discussion of this trigonometry. Directly, I'll come to the subject. All of you have studied the basic fundamental formulas and you are very perfect in all these formulas. What are the basic functions of trigonometry? There are 6 trigonometric functions, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Then you know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. And you know the identities. What are the identities? That is, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. After that, you know the basic fundamental angles, that is from 0 to 90. We have perfect in those values. And after that, you know the quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So, how to calculate the different values with the help of this quadrant? It is already learned by you, right? That is 90 minus theta, all quadrants, and 180 minus theta, all values, then 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, and 360 plus theta, and so on. Okay. So, all these formulae you have been perfect. You have already read out, you have done, you have write the examination for this, right? So, now directly I'll come to the problems, right? Before going to solve the problems, I'll give some important shortcuts. The usual method what we have followed in our intermediate, that method we will not use in Eamcet problems. Suppose if we use those method, it may take so much time, so you may lose the maximum questions. You are not in a position to attempt all the questions, isn't it? So, for some questions, you have to use the shortcut tricks, shortcut formulae, and for some questions directly, if you are perfect in the formulae, you can write the answer. Okay? Now, I'll give a few shortcuts, then related to that, we will solve the numerical questions. For example, you know that if a plus b is equal to 90 degree, the first formula is if a plus b is equal to 90 degree or 270 degree, then sin square a plus sin square b is equal to 1. Cos square a plus cos square b is equal to 1. Then tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Cot A into cot B is equal to 1. So, these are the shortcut. Based on this, we will do the numerical questions. So, I am discussing the various shortcuts. The first one is, if sum of the two angles is 90 degree or 270 degree, then sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. Cos square A plus cos square B is equal to 1. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1. And cot A into cot B is equal to 1. Similarly, if second one, if A plus B is equal to, if A plus B is equal to 180 degree, then cos A plus cos B is equal to 0. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 0. Sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B is equal to 0. And tan A plus tan B is equal to 0. Right? Tan A plus tan B. So, A plus B is equal to 180 degree, then we have this shortcut. Similarly, if A plus B is equal to 360 degree, if A plus B is equal to 360 degree, then sin A plus sin B is equal to 0. Sin A plus sin B is equal to 0. Cos A minus cos B is equal to 0. And tan A plus tan B is equal to 0. Is it clear? So, keeping in mind this formula, inshallah, we will do some numerical questions. Sin 48, sin 48 degree, sec 42 degree, plus cos 48, cosec 42 degree. Right? Sin 48, sin 48 degree, sec 42 degree, plus cos 48 degree, cosec 42 degree is equal to, options are 0, 2, 1 and minus 1. Right? So, what I am doing, sin 48 will remain as it is. So, sec 42 can be written as sec 90 minus 48. Is it correct? 90 minus 48 is 42. Plus cos 48 into, this can be written as sec 90 minus 48 is equal to sin 48 as it is. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec become cosec. That is cosec 48 plus cos 48 as it is into sec 90 minus theta. Right? Sin 48 as it is. Sec 42 can be written as sec 90 minus 48. Cos 48 as it is. Cosec can be written as 90 minus 48. So sec 48 into cosec 90 minus 48. Sec become cosec. Cos it is. Cosec become sec. Right? So this is equal to sin into cosec is equal to 1. Cos into sec is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is 2. Okay. Now, come to the second question. Log tan 17, log tan 17 degree plus log tan 37 degree plus log tan 50 degree plus log tan 73 degree is equal to, the options are 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, what I am doing, this I can write as log tan 17 plus log tan 73 plus log tan 37 plus log tan 53 is equal to, if I take out log common, what is the formula? Log A plus log B equal to log of AB. So log of tan 17 into tan 73 plus log of A plus B, log of AB, tan 37 into tan 53. So we know that if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So 73, 80, 90, tan A into tan B is equal to 1. So this is log 1 plus log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 30 plus sin 40 sin 10 sin 20 sin 30 sin 40 dash 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 sin 360 degree is equal to, the options are 0, 1, minus 1, 2. 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Now, I have given a shortcut formula, that is, if A plus B is equal to 360 degree, then sin A plus sin B is equal to 0, right? So, this is sin 10. This is the difference between 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, before 360, 350 will come. So, that is sin 10 plus sin 350 plus sin 20 plus sin 340 plus dash 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 so on. So, that is last is sin 360. So, 350 plus 10, 360. That is, it is satisfying to the condition that the sin A plus sin B. Therefore, this answer is 0. This is 0. Now, sin 360 is nothing but 0, right? 360. Therefore, the answer is 0. 360 is equal to 230 plus 90, sin 90 plus theta cos theta, that is cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Is it clear? So, if you remember the shortcut formula, then easily you can solve the question within seconds. Next is 3 into sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x whole power of 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power of 6x plus cos power of 6x is equal to, the options are 3, 6, 4, 30. 3, 6, 4, 30. 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power of 4, 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square, plus 4 into sin power of 6x plus cos power of 6x. So, we have solved this question in the usual method in intermediate, but here we won't follow that method. What we will do, we will put some substitution, some shortcut, so that this will come within seconds. Suppose if I put x equal to 90 degree, right? See what happened. 3 into sin 90, 1, cos 90, 0, plus 6 into sin 90, 1, cos 90, 0, plus 4 into sin 90, 1, cos 90, 0. So, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 3, 3. 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 6 is 6, plus 1 plus 0 is 1 into 4. So, my answer is 13. See, so if you put some shortcuts, you put some substitution, you may get the answer in seconds. Therefore, the option is 13. 13, 1, 3. Similarly, write down one more question. Fifth question. Sin square alpha by 1 plus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha by 1 plus cos square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square. Sin square by 1 plus cos square alpha, tan square by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha is equal to, the options are 1 minus 1, 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0, 2. Now, sin square alpha by 1 plus cos square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. So, if you want to follow the usual method, it will take more time, more space. So, you have to do some substitution in such a way that you will get the answer easily. So put the substitution as, put alpha is equal to 45 degree. See what happened. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. So, this is nothing but 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus cos 45, 1 by root 2. Square is 1 by 2. Tan 45, 1. Tan 45, 1. Plus cos 45, 1 by root 2. That is 1 by 2. So, this is nothing but 1 by 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 1 by 2. So, this is nothing but 2 to cancel 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 45 sin 45 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2 by 1 plus, here it is 1 plus cot square alpha, not cos. 1 plus cot square alpha. So, cot 45 is 1. So, this is 2 only. Right? So, this become 1 by 4. So, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, half plus half is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. Tan square alpha by 1 plus cot square alpha. Tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. If A comma B comma C are the angles of a triangle ABC, then cos 3A plus 2B plus C by 2 plus cos A minus C by 2 is equal to 0, 1 cos A cos B. 0, 1 cos A cos B. So, by seeing the question, what he says is ABC are the angles of a triangle ABC means sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. If you follow the usual formula, that is cos C plus cos D, so it may take so much time. So what you have to do, again do some substitution. So what I am doing, I am putting some substitution. Therefore, what is the question? Cos 3A plus 2B plus C whole divided by 2 plus cos of A minus C by 2. Put A equal to B equal to C is equal to 60 degree, right? So this is equal to cos of 60, 3 the 180, 62 the 120 plus 60 by 2 into cos 60 minus 60, 0. So cos of 180, 200, 300, 360, 360 by 2 is nothing but cos 180. Since cos 0 is 1. Now cos 180 is cos 180 is cos 180 is cos 90 plus 90. So cos 90 plus 90 is cos becomes sin 0 0 sin 90 1. So the answer is 1. Now you see what is this? Plus plus. Here also this should be plus, not minus. So cos 180 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, the answer is 0. Is it clear? Here plus is there, plus is there. So if I put A is equal to B equal to 60 degree, this become 180 plus 120 plus 60 by 2 plus 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. Cos 0, then cos 0 is equal to 1. This is nothing but cos 360 by 2 cos 180. The value of cos 180 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Next question is sin square 51 minus x plus sin square 39 plus x. (51 minus x plus 39 plus x). Answer is minus 1 0 1 2. So here, if you want to apply the formula, there is no such formula because you are having formula sin square A minus sin square B. So again you have to apply some shortcut. We know that if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then just now I have given this shortcut formula sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. Therefore, if I add this value 51 minus x plus 39 plus x, 9 plus 1 takes the 0 carry 1, 4 plus 5 90. So this is nothing but 90. Therefore, the answer is sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1. So this is the option. If you remember the shortcut formula, then by seeing the question only, you can write the answer without doing any solving. Write down next question. If sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3, implies that cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Cos theta 1 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. What he says? Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3. We have to find the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. So, what is the given condition? Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3. When it will happen, this equation must be satisfied if theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3 is equal to 3 degree. If I substitute 90 degree, then it will be satisfied because sin 90 1, sin 90 1, 1 plus 1 3. It means that theta 90 is satisfied to the given equation. Therefore, I am substituting the same value here. Therefore, cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. If sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, if sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1, implies that cos square x plus cos 4x. Sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1 implies that cos square x plus cos 4x is equal to 0, 1, 2 minus 1. 0, 1, 2 minus 1. So, given sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Sin x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x can be taken as cos square x. Therefore, cos square x plus cos 4x is equal to, what is cos square x? Sin x plus cos square x is equal to sin x. So, cos 4x is equal to sin square x. Therefore, sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. Sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2. If sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2, then sin power of 8x plus cosec power of 8x. Sin power of 8x plus cosec power of 8x is equal to, so what is given? Sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2. So, if I substitute x is equal to 90 degree, what happened? Sin 90 1, cosec 90 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is satisfying to the equation, given equation. So, it means that I have to substitute x as 90 degree. Similarly, if I substitute here also, that is sin power of 8x plus cosec power of 8x, x is equal to 90 degree. So, I may get the same answer, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, now you have to remember that whatever may be the value of x power. So, sin power of nx plus cosec power of nx is also equal to 2. So, this is also a formula you have to remember. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C is equal to 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C is equal to K. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin B, 1 plus sin C is equal to 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B is equal to K. Then implies that K is equal to, the options are The options are plus or minus cos A, cos B, cos C. Plus or minus sin A, sin B, sin C. Plus or minus sin A, cos B, cos C. Fourth one, none. Fourth one, none. Right? So what is given? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C is equal to 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C, which is equal to K. Then we have to find the value of K. So what I am doing, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin B, because this is equivalent to this. So I am multiplying this, both of them. That is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 plus sin B into 1 minus sin B into 1 plus sin C into 1 minus sin C, which is equal to K. He says that this both equality is equal to K. So it means that 1 minus A plus B to A minus B, A square minus B square, that is 1 minus sin square is cos square A into cos square B into cos square C is equal to K, or K is equal to plus or minus cos A cos B cos C. So my option is first one, that is plus or minus cos A cos B cos C. Log of sin 1 into log of sin 2 log of sin 3 degree dash log of sin 179. Options are 1 0 minus 1 2, 1 0 minus 1 2. So here, before solving this question, you just see the terms. What are the terms? That is log of sin 1, then log of sin 2, then log of sin 3 dash log of sin 179. So in between them, there is some value is missing. So I will write this again: log of sin 1, log of sin 2, log of sin 3 dash log of sin 90 dash log of sin 179, because it is in the order 1 2 3, it is in serial order. So sometimes 90 also come, then after the 179. So this is nothing but what is sin 90? 1. Therefore log 1 is equal to 0. So 0 into something, answer is 0. So you have to do just finish. Don't simplify the total answer. Next, if x is equal to, if x is equal to a, x is equal to a sec cube theta tan theta, y is equal to b tan cube theta sec theta, then sin square theta is equal to the options are x by a minus y by b, which is by A plus y by B. Third one is xy by AB. xy by AB. And fourth one is ay by bx. ay by bx. Right? So, here, what is asking? He is asking the value of, he has given x is equal to something, y equal to something. He is asking the value of sin square theta. Right? So, what I am doing, I am giving this as equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, divide 2 by 1. What happened? Y by x is equal to b tan cube theta sec theta by a sec cube theta tan theta. Right? So, b tan theta cancel. One tan square will be remain. Sec theta cancel. One sec square theta will be remain. Right? So, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, tan cancel, sec cancel. So, b by a, b is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta. This is nothing but 1 by cos square theta. Now, you see that this cos square theta is a common, in the denominator, so which cancel each other. This gives me b by a into sin square theta. And I want the value of sin square theta only. Here on the left hand side, I am having y by x. So, if I keep sin square theta here as it is, on cross multiply, I am getting as ay by bx is equal to sin square theta. Therefore, my answer is fourth one. That is ay by bx. If sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2, then sin theta plus, then sin theta plus cos theta is equal to, options are 0, root 2 sin theta, root 2 sin theta, root 2 cos theta, 1. Right? What is given? Sin theta minus cos theta is given as root 2. So, given sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2. What I am doing, I am shifting this to right hand side, root 2 plus root 2 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. This is root 2 cos theta is there. Root 2 cos theta. Root 2 cos theta plus cos theta. Is it clear? It problem is given as sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. We have to find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. So, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. I am transferring cos theta to the right hand side. It will become plus cos theta. If we take out the common cos theta, I am leaving root 2 plus 1. Multiply both sides by root 2 minus 1. So, this is nothing but root 2 minus 1 into sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 into cos theta. It is a form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 2 minus 1, 1. That is cos theta. On multiplying left hand side, I am getting as root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. So, if I shift sin theta to the right hand side, it becomes root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Therefore, my answer is, my option is second, that is root 2 sin theta. If 7 if 7 sin square alpha plus 3 cos square alpha is equal to 4. 7 sin square alpha plus 3 cos square alpha is equal to 4. Then tan square alpha is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1, 0. So, what is given? 7 sin square alpha plus 3 cos square alpha is equal to 4. He has given, and he asked me find the value of tan square alpha. So, given 7 sin square alpha plus 3 cos square alpha is equal to 4. I am dividing both sides of this equation by cos square alpha. So, it gives me sin square alpha by cos square alpha is nothing but 7 tan square alpha. Cos square alpha cancel, which gives me 3 only, is equal to 4 by cos square alpha is nothing but 4 sec square alpha. Right? So, I want the value in terms of tan square alpha. So, converting sec into in terms of tan, that is sec square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha, right? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Sec square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha. So, which gives me 7 tan square alpha, 4 1 the 4 tan square alpha is equal to 4 1 the 4 minus 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 tan square alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, tan square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So, first option. Is it clear? Right now, next question. Root 3 plus 2 cos A by 1 minus 2 sin A whole power of minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus 2 sin A divided by root 3 minus 2 cos A. Root 3 minus 2 cos A whole power of minus 3 whole power of minus 3 is equal to, options are 1, 0, root 3 and 1 by 3. Now, here also, if I want to follow the usual method, it will take a number of steps as well as time is also wasting. Again, here also, I have to use some shortcut. So, you think some value so that which is satisfies to the given problem, right? Suppose if I substitute A is equal to 90, see what happened. So, root 3 plus 2 cos 90 sin 0 0 sin 91 cos 0 cos 90 is 0, right? Divided by 1 minus 2 sin 0 0 sin 91. So, this is nothing but 2 only, whole power of minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 sin 90 is 1, that is 2 by root 3 minus cos 90 is 0, whole power of minus 3. So, this is nothing but root 3 by 1 minus 2 is minus 2, whole power of minus 3 plus 1 plus 2, 3 by root 3 whole power of minus 3, or this is nothing but minus root 3 whole power of minus 3 plus a by root a is root a, that is root 3 whole power of minus 3. You may see that one term is positive, another term is negative, therefore both will cancel each other. Therefore, my answer is 0. Next question is, if sin alpha plus cosec alpha, sin alpha plus cosec alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus sec alpha whole square is equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then k is equal to, right? What is the question? Sin alpha plus cosec alpha whole square plus cos alpha plus sec alpha whole square is equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then k is equal to, options are 9, 7, 5, 3. 9, 7, 5, 3. So this is also a IP question, but their method of solving is different, and here we solve this with a different method. Okay, so I don't want to follow the IP method, I want to do the shortcut. So I think what some value I have to substitute in such a way that it must satisfy and simplify as early as possible, right? Suppose if I substitute alpha is equal to 45, see what happened? Sin 45 plus cosec 45, sin 45 cosec 45 whole square plus cos 45 plus sec 45 whole square is equal to k plus tan square 45 plus cot square 45 is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2 cosec 45 root 2 whole square, right? Cos 45 1 by root 2 sec 45 root 2 whole square is equal to k plus tan 45 1 cot 45 1. Now it is the form of a plus b whole square, so 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 2ab root 2 cancel plus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 2ab root 2 cancel is equal to k plus 2. So half plus half 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, my option is second, that is k is equal to 7. Is it clear? So with this we have completed the first chapter, that is trigonometric functions. So inshallah in the next class I will take the compound angles. Okay, by that, thank you. Be prepared, work hard, by heart all the formulas and shortcut.